Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, An Awesomies in Austria. Today, we're taking a trip to the Prater, Vienna's famous amusement park. Now, you can't talk about Prater without mentioning this iconic landmark, the Wiener Riesenrad. This majestic Ferris wheel, built in 1897, is one of the oldest in the world. Imagine the breathtaking views from up there. You can see the entire city panorama, from the historic center with its magnificent architecture to the lush green Danube River. It's truly a quintessential Viennese experience. But the Prater is more than just the Riesenrad. It's a sprawling park with something for everyone. Thrill seekers can test their courage on the exhilarating roller coasters, like the Prater Turm, a 117-meter tall observation tower that offers breathtaking views and a thrilling freefall. For a more adrenaline-pumping experience, there's the Vogel'achterbahn, a classic wooden roller coaster that twists and turns through the trees. And let's not forget the classic bumper cars, a timeless favorite for all ages.
This is also nice, huh?
The Prater is also a haven for those who love a bit of nostalgia. Stroll through the rows of colorful stalls and you'll find a treasure trove of souvenirs, from traditional Viennese toys and trinkets to hand-painted souvenirs. Indulge your sweet tooth with a variety of treats, like the classic Viennese sausages, sugary pastries, and refreshing drinks. And don't miss the chance to try your luck at the numerous games of skill, like shooting galleries and ring tosses. It's a feast for the senses, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells. The Prater offers a unique blend of history, entertainment, and Viennese charm. Whether you're seeking thrills, enjoying a leisurely stroll, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, the Prater is a must-visit destination in Vienna. We decided to try this smaller Ferris wheel, which offers a more intimate view of the park and the surrounding area. As we ascended, the park gradually unfolded below us. We could see families enjoying picnics, children laughing on the rides, and the colorful stalls adding a vibrant touch to the landscape. It was a peaceful and enjoyable ride, with gentle breezes and a sense of tranquility.
going to. You say that or not?
Yeah, I mean, the teacher asked if we were going anywhere or
Yes, look at everything.
just feel the adrenaline rushing. We're back here.
Go down. That's that delivery. Don't shoot them. Sit here. Let's sit down. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Bitte miteinander, wenn er
And speaking of unique experiences, we couldn't resist a visit to Madame Tussauds Vienna, located within the Prater. We got to pose with lifelike wax figures of famous personalities, from Hollywood stars like Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie to historical figures like Mozart and Marie Antoinette. It was a fun and interactive experience, and a great way to get a glimpse into the world of celebrity and history. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Prater. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to An Awesomies in Austria for more travel adventures.